Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. Today, I'd like to talk about rip and crosscut for our saws. It is called crosscut to cut woods at right angles against the grains. It is called rip cut to cut in parallel lines along the grains. I'll cut woods considering the points. Now I'll try crosscut with the crosscut saw. The cut-off section is beautiful. I felt good to cut the wood. The sharpness of the saw was great. Now I'll try rip cut with the crosscut saw. I barely cut the wood, but that made me tired and the saw moved so slowly, but I think the cut-off section is a little good. Now I'll try slant cut with the crosscut saw. I felt I could cut the wood without any problems and the cut-off section was beautiful. Now I'll try rip cut with the rip cut saw. It was much faster than rip cut with a crosscut saw. The cut-off section is also beautiful. Now I'll try crosscut with a rip cut saw. I can't recommend crosscut with rip cut saws because it got caught many times and took time to cut. The cut-off section is also a little rough. Now I'll try slant cut with a rip cut saw. I could cut the wood more easily than crosscut with rip saws. The cut-off section is a little rough. Now I'll try slant cut with a universal cut saw. It was overwhelmingly faster than rip and crosscut saws. The cut-off section is so beautiful. Now I'll try crosscut with a universal cut saw. I thought it took a little more time to cut than crosscut saws, but there were no problems. The cut-off section is beautiful. Now I'll try rip cut with a universal cut saw. It was faster than rip cut with crosscut saws. The cut-off section is beautiful. Alright, I tried cutting woods with rip, cross, and universal cut saws. I'd like you to choose saws depending on how to cut and materials. When DIY users cut woods, please look for the saws with the name 3 if you don't know what saws to buy. These are the saws which we can use rip, cross, and slant cut with. I'd like you to choose the saws with 3. Now I explained about rip, cross, and slant cut. Please subscribe to our channel and follow our X and Instagram. Thank you for watching.
皆さん、高評価、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。